The Infosys Systems Engineer Trainee (SET) program is a career launchpad for fresh graduates who want to build a strong foundation in IT. It is a structured training program where selected candidates learn programming, software development, and professional skills before joining live projects. The program focuses on practical learning, industry-relevant technologies, and prepares trainees for real-world roles at Infosys.
Facilities at Mysore campus. Digital classrooms. These rooms are equipped with modern technology, including smart boards, high-speed internet, and audiovisual aids. This setup ensures an interactive learning experience and easy access to global digital resources. Skilled educators. The campus prides itself on a faculty of experienced professionals and subject matter experts. They provide high-quality instruction, mentorship, and practical insights to help students excel in their fields. Rooms, accommodation. The living quarters are maintained to high standards with daily housekeeping services. They include modern amenities like TVs for entertainment and air conditioning to ensure comfort during the warmer summer months. Bicycles. To promote a green environment and easy mobility, bicycles are provided for student use. These are dedicated for navigating the campus grounds efficiently and staying active. Dining options: food courts, bakery, juice centers, Domino's. The campus features a diverse culinary landscape. From quick snacks at the bakery and fresh drinks at juice centers to familiar brands like Domino's and variety-filled food courts, there are options for every palate. General stores. For daily essentials, stationery, and personal care items, the on-campus general stores ensure that students don't need to leave the premises for their basic needs. Other facilities at Mysore campus. Personal care and maintenance. Laundry services. The campus provides an affordable, bulk laundry system. Trainees can have up to 6 kilograms of clothing washed and processed for a nominal fee of 100 rupees, making it easy to manage chores during a busy schedule. Girls and boys saloons. To ensure students can maintain professional grooming without leaving the campus, dedicated hair and beauty salons are available for both men and women. Health and medical support. Apollo Clinic, an on-campus medical facility managed by Apollo. Consultations and prescriptions from doctors are provided free of charge, though students must pay for the specific medications or specialized tests required. Emergency ambulance. The campus prioritizes safety by providing a free 24/7 ambulance service. This ensures that in the event of a medical emergency, trainees can be transported to a hospital immediately. Technical and personal kits. Trainee Starter Kit. Every trainee is provided with a dedicated laptop and a carrying bag to support their digital learning. Additionally, personal essentials like a water bottle and a cup are included to help students settle in comfortably.
Rules at Mysore campus: attendance and access. Training hours. Official sessions are held on weekdays from 9:15 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. Gate policy. Entry into the campus is permitted only until 9 p.m. Identification. Your ID card is mandatory and must be visible at all times. Campus conduct and environment eco-friendly policy. Plastic bags and bottles are strictly prohibited to maintain a green campus, neutral environment. Religious activities are not allowed on the premises. Zero tolerance. Smoking and alcohol consumption are forbidden inside the campus. If you broke any rule, they will simply terminate you. Training Program 1. Generic training, 47 days. First Java programming, after that database management system, DBMS, then string training, 45 days. Initial part 1, basic, and then part 2, advanced level. This is a 47 days training program designed to help you learn the basics of coding and data. It is split into two main parts. 1. Java programming, approximately 21 days. You will learn how to write code using Java. After the lessons, you will take an exam called FA1. 2. Database management, DBMS, approximately 21 days. You will learn how to store and manage data. Like Java, this also ends with an FA2 exam. The rules for passing. To successfully finish the training, you need to keep these two rules in mind. The goal: you must score at least 65 out of 100 on both exams. The chances: you have 3 tries to pass each exam. Important note: It is very important to pass both subjects. If you are unable to get a score of 65 in either Java or DBMS after your 3 attempts, your training will end, and you will be asked to leave the program. Stream training is a 45 working day specialized program available only to those who have already passed their generic training. During this period, you will be assigned to a specific technical stream, such as Java, Angular, BI, CIS, SAP, or testing, based on current business requirements. The training is divided into 2 halves. Part 1 covers the basics over approximately 21 days, and Part 2 covers advanced topics for another 21 days. For both parts, you are required to take a formative assessment, FA1, where you are allowed 2 attempts to achieve a minimum passing score of 50 out of 100. To successfully complete the program, you must maintain a high standard across both evaluations. While the minimum pass mark for an individual exam is 50, your overall average must reach at least 65 marks. This means your combined score from both Part 1 and Part 2 must be at least 130. It is important to note that if you fail to score at least 50 in each individual exam or fail to reach the total requirement of 130 marks, you will be terminated from the program.